Other things that we've got involved, which I can use in the apps, is that I have, if I can just find it, PhET simulations are in here. So I've got a few options. We've got intros to fractions, inequality. Here's an equation explorer for 2 variables. So I can put an x on this side, a y on this side, and let's put a y on this side. So this is saying x plus y is bigger than y, and I can use this to explore. So what happens if x is now 2 or x is 3? I can play around with this, and I can already see that this is getting heavier than this side. So I've got a balance scale going on. Lots of different models in here to be able to use. Express and exchange, got a function builder again. So in here I am dropping in a average situation here. So here is a level. So I've got 2 different levels of, so that's bringing it down to be the same amount. I can physically move them around. I can get Michael to move them around. He can click in and move them. Okay. But if I made this one then really low, okay, and I wanted them to level, hopefully we can see that this has gone down and this has gone up, so that we've got the same amount in every container. There we go, unleveled and leveled. And we can do that with several cups, physically seeing what's going on. Similar idea here with candy bars per person. If this one's got 3 and this one's got 1, and I want everyone to have the same, well, I can move this one to this pile. I've got 4 altogether, and we want the same amount on each time. So you've got some really interactive, again, things. Michael could be moving things around on this to be able to picture physically what's going on with the maths. So working out the average, we would often teach you add it up and divide it by how many we've got. And Michael's now moving it around so that he has more chocolate than I do. And you can see how the numbers are doing things. And we can add in more people for playing with these simulations.